Drill and insert, drill only, one head or both heads. The Express can be set up to insert almost any Euro hinge or hinge plate, wrap hinges, drawer brackets, adjusters, and RTA fittings. 2 hinges can be inserted in 5 seconds or less. The right head movement is on linear bearings and the drill head securely locks by pneumatic brake. A magnetic safety and proximity switch protect the machine and tooling from inadvertent damage. Drilling depth control is by digital counters. There are dust collection ports directly at each drill head. All machine controls are within easy reach of the operator. Tooling is easily accessible for maintenance or change. The Express machine platform works with a variety of hinge types just by changing out the die and magazines. It takes less than 2 minutes per head. Drill and insert 3 hinge doors in 15 seconds. The Gannomat Express is an impact machine for any woodworking or cabinet business, requiring efficient insertion of hinges and other hardware. Express line of machines is available in single, as well as with multiple drilling insertion units.